Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we're going to make Hydrangea flower. This flower has many different types, and we are going to focus on the you and me together. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. Let's look at what you need for this project. Then you can prepare your petals in 4 different sizes with the light blue crepe paper. After that, we're going to prepare the individual flower stems. Trim a piece of light blue paper for the wire wrapping. Cut the 20 gauge wire into 10 centimeters and cut the stretch paper strip into 6 centimeters long. Apply UHU glue to the paper strip and wrap 2/3 of the wire with it. Squeeze a very small amount of UHU glue onto your working surface or a piece of paper. Then you can curl the petal a little with your fingers and attach the petals onto the flower stem. Attach the petals from the smallest to the biggest and alter the position of each petal so they are not overlapping. Next, we're going to mix a bluish purple and apply a light layer onto the petals. You can add different proportion of paint on each flower. Some are darker, some are lighter, more blue or more purple. A mixture of flower in different colors will make the bundle more interesting. After that, we are going to work on the leaves. Make your leaves with our template and shape the edge of the leaves. If you need more details on leaf making, you can check our leaf making tutorial for all the tips. Now it's time to put everything together. I have made 20 flowers for this bundle. Pick about 7 to 10 flowers as a bundle. Hold the flowers together and use flower tape to wrap around the wire. I have prepared 4 bundles. Take 3 pieces of 18 gauge wire as a main stem. Hold the bundles together and add a piece of long 18 gauge wire to the group. Use a green flower tape to wrap everything together. When you have reached the bottom of the flower stem, add the extra 2 wires to support the structure. Add the leaves one by one with the flower tape. Trim the stem to the length that you prefer, and you are almost there. Adjust the look by spreading the flower a little bit. After the construction, I've decided to add some shading to the bundle with some darker blues. Make sure you don't color all of them, only a few of them, so they don't look exactly the same. And you're done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials and see you next week.